May holiday na nga, Holy Week pa. So guys, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda. This is really a good time for us to just rest, relax, and also reflect on our lives, our faith, and also our family. Ang haba ng Holy Week na to, and also our holiday extended until Easter Monday. So I pray and hope that each and everybody that's been watching or who's gonna watch my video, napag-relax kayo and also get the chance to just enjoy the company, enjoy your time with your family, and also took the time to really pray and give thanks kasi you're healthy, you're still alive during this pandemic, and and yun nga guys, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. Kasi nakita ko itong picture na to from one of my friends sa Facebook niya, pinost, and it's really beautiful that we have this such devotion during Holy Week that yung mga karosa, nakita natin yan, may prosesyon, di ba? Iba't ibang event leading to the cross, leading to the resurrection of our Lord Jesus Christ. Merong bawat pamilya or bawat deboto na lalabas ng karosa nila, and then they go around the church, they go around their town to process. And nung nakita ko to, bigla ko lang na alala yung story that my parents would always tell us or share with us on how we got started in our business, which is the laundry business today. And ever since, ilang years na rin kami within this laundry business. No? So, been very fortunate, been blessed, so very thankful on how my father, my mother prayed for it and even sacrificed a lot, and nagkaroon lang ng patience also to continue even on mga ups and downs that came with the business. And we're still here today. Marami na kami magkakapatid, and we're still, may mga apo na sila. And the prayer and the hope is meron pa ulit makapagtuloy ng business na nasimulan nila and mapalago pa ito. So, just to share with you guys on how we really got started is, actually related yan sa photo na yan sa karosa, kasi my mom and dad are really religious and they're active sa service sa simbahan in their own local parishes, and they met through the church also. Each of their own families have their own karosa back in the days, and the idea came during Holy Week, and when they participated in a karosa or a procession like this. Kita niyo naman, may mga statwa ni Jesus, may angel, and Mama Mary. And sa mga statwa, nakita niyo, is really well decorated, well adorned. May mga bulaklak, may mga kandila. Yung design is really beautiful, and yung mga bawat statwa, meron yung mga damit ng santo, di ba? Ng Birhen. And that time, where they live in Cavite area, yun nga, wala palang pwedeng maglinis, mag-dry clean ng damit ng santo. And that's where the idea started. My mom, my dad, sabi, ba't walang pwedeng maglinis ng damit ng santo? That time, kailangan pa nilang from Cavite, they have to travel all the way to Manila, bring the clothes to a shop here in Manila. So, napakalayo nun. Napakalayo, and magastos pa yun kasi dati nagko-commute lang sila, wala pang sariling sasakyan and all that. And yun, sinubukan lang nila. Tinuruan naman sila nung shop owner na foreigner pa dati mga uso ng mga foreigner pa yung may-ari ng dry cleaning and laundry shop sa Manila. Sabi nila, uy, parang okay to gawin dun sa area namin. So, tinanong nila kung paano ba yan. And then, paturo sila. And later on, natutunan nila kung paano to i-process. And eventually, nakapag-start sila ng isang maliit na laundry shop, dry cleaning shop in Cavite. And naalala ko nga, laging kinukwento ng nanay ko is that first month, isang item lang yung pumasok. Imagine guys, nagtayo ka ng business, nag-open ka ng negosyo mo, pero isang customer lang sa first month mo. Kung ikaw ba, di ka mapapaisip na parang mali yata yung diskarte, mali yata yung naging desisyon ko, di ba? Pero my mom stayed, she really fought for it na, sige, tuloy natin to. Parang biyaya to ni Lord eh. Galing to kay Mama Mary na idea. Hindi tayo papabayaan ni Mama Mary. So, every Holy Week, ito yung naiisip kong kwento. Just reminding me on how they got started, how our family got started. And just, remind me also to be thankful na whatever we have right now is coming from them, coming from above. Diba? So from that one customer, one item, hindi lang yung naging mga concern or challenge. Sabihin pa, pinag-aral ka, graduate ka ng college, ngayon, nag-tatrabaho ka sa magandang kumpanya, multinational company yung pinanggalingan ng mom ko, my dad also. And then sabihin mo, maglalaba ka lang, maglilinis ka lang ng mga damit, yan. Isang customer lang sa isang buwan. So parang imagine lahat ng mga feedback, lahat ng mga comment, di ba? If you're an entrepreneur, if you're a business owner dreaming or starting out, parang napakahirap talaga. No? Not everybody around you will understand or even support you on what you're trying to do. So, if you're in that place also, meron kang idea, you're just getting started, pagdasal mo lagi yan. I think you really have to be grounded. You have to be really firm. Really put your foundation on your faith. Kasi first, you really have to believe on yourself. Also believe on the product or service that you're gonna offer. And believe that you're gonna be successful in what you're trying to do and accomplish. So, believing, also having faith in what you do, makes a whole lot of difference. Kasi usually, naririnig natin pagdating sa negosyo, dapat magaling ka, dapat passionate ka, at the same time, maswerte ka, Pero, from my experience, from what my family's experience is, dapat meron ka rin talagang matinding kapit or matinding faith sa taas. Dasalan mo yan. Samahan mo ng matinding dasal. So, hindi naman siguro masama yun, but try it and I pray kung ano man yung gusto mong ma-achieve, whatever your dream is, makuha mo yan. Mangyari yan, hindi lang siguro instant, pero tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan. So I hope you learn something and yun, ito yung naging reflection ko this time of Holy Week. And I'm just happy that I'm able to share this story with you all and how our family business got started.